Woodward Park City. This episode of Another Day at the Woodies, starring Christian Klein, the man himself.
Yes, sir.
Matt Ganley.
Back in it.
Back to the grind, boys. Back to the grinds.
It's getting slushy quick.
It's getting slushy quick. I don't know how long I'm gonna be with the GoPro because it's hot with the helmet.
Brought to you by Jibbing is Not Dead.
Brought to you by Jibbing is Dead.
Just get the rumors flowing in this video.
Matt Gann is Jibbing's Not Dead. Quick reveal.
Yeah.
Quick reveal. If
We
anyone,
didn't even know about it.
if anyone
until,
wanted
like,
to
a day or
know,
two
Matt
ago.
Ganley is Jibbing's Not Dead. Just putting that out there. Whoever watches these.
He's been keeping it a secret for like the last year and a half.
Whew. Let's go, gang. Whew. First day feeling good, man. Do it. Oh, feeling hella good.
Subscribe to my premium community for that.
Matt's already talking about communities. That just reminds me, Pocket Coach community is coming out strong this summer.
You are the Pocket Coach guy with the community. That's premium.
Matt's premium community Pocket Coach is coming soon. There's only 3 laps. I'm doing 3 laps with GoPro today with Jibbing's Not Dead, so it's pretty sick. Okay, chairlift claim for the day. Run it, Christian. What's the chairlift claim for the day?
Front sev. Oh, he went front sev.
Oh, he upgraded to the
Okay.
front sev.
Okay.
What's your chairlift claim for the day, Matt?
Me? Oh god, dude, I don't know. Hard way back one onto something.
Hard way back one.
That's kind of light. That means like you can do it on a tube, but
No,
that doesn't count.
You know the standards. We know the standards. What's the standards?
Quad kink or more, for sure.
I don't even think there's a quad kink here.
Right here.
Yeah, that's a good Johnson.
That's what I'm looking at. One of these two.
Okay, I think I'm gonna climb front sev too.
Oh, definitely get it ready.
I think I'll climb front sev. Climb on cam, yo. Front 5!
Yeah.
Front 5's going down. Fucked up the GoPro. He bitched out, team.
The speed wasn't there. We gotta play it safe sometimes.
Did you get your back on?
I did a hard way back one on. Yeah.
On what?
The first Little Johnson, where you were learning your 50-50s.
I wasn't learning the 50-50s, dude.
Yeah, you were. You just got them down.
I haven't gone down yet.
Rule number 1, always stay calculated. If you don't, you might fuck yourself. Good tip. I like that.
I feel like out of all of us, Christian's like the least calculated.
Definitely. Definitely. Well, you gotta try staying calculated. He writes that on his vision board every morning.
Calculate.
If you don't see the vision, you're fucked.
Yeah, we're going big jumps now. We're gonna fire it up on some big jumps. Okay. Front three, back three, just to fire it up first run. You guys know I love big jumps too much. Next chairlift claim, front 5, cab 5 on the big ones. What are you claiming? Big jumps.
I don't know, I haven't hit them yet.
Like that. Fuck. It gets scary when you get here.
Yeah.
Front 5, cab 5.
Nice. I feel like the speed's like... I think you can go pretty fast.
Okay, fire it up. Right here.
Yeah.
Got this, chat. Oh, rotate.
Hold on.
You gotta get used to talking to the camera, Matt. I'm testing you out. You're over here talking about vlog stuff, and I'm testing you.
I'm talking to the camera, dude. The camera's getting talked to. Nothing happened.
Matt's like, let's make a vlog, and then I'm gonna turn the camera on him, and then he's just gonna be like,
12-minute vlog with some riding. You don't need too much talking there.
Okay. Should I go front sev? I feel like I go cab sev. Okay, I got this one. Oh.